Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to be checking out the 5 best computer monitors. I made this list based on my personal opinion and research of the markets. I try to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, check out the links in the description below, and sure subscribe to our channel for future review videos. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5. Scepter Thin LED Monitor. The Scepter E205W16003R monitor gives gamers experience seamless, fluid movement in high-resolution and fast-paced games. It virtually eliminates screen tearing and stuttering. An ultra-fast speed of 144 Hz allows immediate action on the screen. Objects are rendered more clearly for smoother gameplay and an almost surreal visual fluidity. Scepter E205W16003R monitor is your best option for both work and play. 1600 by 900 resolutions deliver vivid colors and sharp images on a 20-inch screen. A 5 millisecond response time displays action sequences with the highest degree of clarity. Signal compatibility: digital signal frequency 30 to 80 kHz horizontal, 60 to 75 kHz vertical. HDMI input signal support 1080/60p, 1080/60i, 720p, 480p, 480i, VGA. Input signal support up to 1600x900 at the rate of 75 Hz. The brightness is 250 cd/m2. Power range 100 to 240 VAC, 50/60ths of a Hz, 1.1 A max. Number 4. Acer SB220Q By. The Acer SB220Q By 21. 5 inches LCD IPS has advanced liquid crystal formula for advanced IPS technology for premium color performance, which has no color difference at any viewing angle. The display lets you experience clearer images and vibrant entertainment. The super narrow bezel provides maximum viewing space for your Windows entertainment. Acer SB220Q By 21. 5 inches LCD IPS display combines stylish ultra-thin functionality with amazing 1920x1080 resolutions, allowing you to enjoy high-definition entertainment in the comfort of your home. Incredible 100 million to 1 contrast ratio and rapid 4 milliseconds response time highlight the advanced technology. The LCD also features multiple inputs for greater compatibility and a Kensington lock slot to protect your investment. Standby power consumption 450 mAh. Height without stand 11. 9 inches, width 19. 6 inches, depth 1. 4 inches. Number 3. Dell S2421H 24-inch. The Dell S2421H FHD monitor beautifully designed to sit easily into any space, ready for your everyday lifestyle. Impressive audio with built-in dual 3W speakers. The modern, elegant design with a subtle textured pattern at the back of the monitor has its own unique look. It brings the feeling of a harmonious blend of great style and quality into every living space. This monitor has a 3-sided ultra-thin bezel design that lets you enjoy superb screen clarity in 1920x1080 Full HD resolutions on a 23.8 monitor. Smooth, tear-free experience with AMD FreeSync technology, featuring 75 Hz refresh rate. You can get virtually seamless views with consistent colors across a wide 178 degrees viewing angle within plane switching technology. Built-in dual HDMI ports keep your devices always plugged in and let you effortlessly switch between streaming and console gaming. Number 2. HP VH240A monitor. The HP VH240A 23.8-inch display is a great deal for the price and size. It is easier to discover products with sustainability certifications, as part of our commitment to helping preserve the natural world. The faster response time options are great for gaming. Integrated audio speakers provide great sound for your content. HP VH240A 23.8-inch display featuring an ergonomic stand, built-in speakers and an ultra-slim design at a competitively low price point. Great for projects requiring portrait and landscape mode screen rotation. The VH240A also includes a 178 degrees positional viewing angle for the best quality no matter where you sit. You can also mount the display on a wall or arm bracket with a 100 meters VESA mounting pattern located on the back of the monitor arm. Connect your Windows, Mac, or any laptop featuring an HDMI port with an included HDMI cord. Number 1. LG 27GL83AB. The LG 27GL83AB 27-inch monitor. It's a 3-side virtually borderless design, and the base can be adjusted to change the tilt, height and pivot of the monitor to help you play the game more comfortable. Gamers can avoid snipers hiding in the darkest places and quickly escape situations when the flash explodes. LG 27GL83AB 27-inch monitor with adaptive sync technology. Gamers can experience seamless, fluid movement in high-resolution and fast-paced games. The 27 inches Ultra Gear QHD IPS 1 millisecond 144 Hz monitor is G-Sync compatible. It virtually eliminates screen tearing and stuttering. An ultra-fast speed of 144 Hz allows immediate action on the screen. Objects are rendered more clearly for smoother gameplay and an almost surreal visual fluidity. Minimize input lag with dynamic action sync, so gamers can catch every single moment in real time.